We have a couple of games that we always bring, regular cards, Monopoly Deal. If you haven't seen this game, get it. It's a shortened version of Monopoly. We have travel size Yahtzee, like that a lot. Binoculars. Again, this is a great travel size set. And you know, it comes out, look through, and then you can compact it back into its carrying case, which is great. I have 2 umbrellas, and these are featured on our store, so check that link in the description below. But I'm packing one in this bag, and I'll probably have another one in our carry-on bag, one of my carry-on bags. That way I can have it if we need it at the airport. We're standing out waiting for the charter bus to bring us to the cruise ship, those things. Right back in here, it's a wet dry bag in case you have something that you want to pack with you either on your shore day bag or ends up wet the day you're trying to pack to go home. So we always bring my hiking shoes. Again, those bars will come in handy if we do go on hikes, and we will. We're super stoked about it. I've got trails picked out for each of the 4 stops actually, counting Whittier. My toiletry bag as well, pretty well packed, and I have almost everything in it. So yeah, that's all. I will finish packing here, and we'll be on our way in just a couple days. Keep dreaming of sea days.